It's a dreary day today. I'll show you what I got going on. Vapors. I think the oil and sand washed the sand down in there, or the dirt, and that's what locked it on there. I'm using the chlorinated brake clean on this, but I want to make sure like this isn't leaking, because that's where the chain came off and hit the shifter. Broke this because the shifter shaft also had some marks on it where they had straightened it, I think, and then had to grind it. And then, like I said, this drain plug. So yeah, I'm gonna let that all dry off. Put some oil into it. I don't think there's much in there right now. And that'll tell us where it's leaking from completely. But like this area here, I shaped that as much as I could, but you can still see it's not very round. And I'm gonna put gasket RVT around the outside, or probably lay a bead in there and then push that in, and then hopefully that, because I don't think it's coming, because it's a brand new seal. I don't think it's coming from the actual seal, it's the out, so, and maybe other stuff. Oh yeah, I wanted to look at this, the intake side of this piston too, as long as we're here. Try to keep as much dirt out of this thing as possible, of course. And also this thing has got all cracks. I know those are notorious for dry rotting. And I've seen people just skim coat the outside with gasket maker to seal them up, but this thing, I don't know, it doesn't have an air leak, so I wasn't going to mess with it. But let me know what you think in the comments below. You know, because I don't think they're available anymore. So, all right, let's see what we got. I'm not nervous. Are you nervous? There was no real running issues with this thing, but I did see some small scratches, almost like from sand, which the air filtration on these aren't the greatest, but like I said, stock reed cage, arrow points down. I found that out. Had that in the wrong way. Reeds are stock. You know, they don't even have the Boyson. They might be the power valve reeds in there, but let's see what this looks like. Oh. What did I might have heard it. I might have heard it, boys. I don't know if you can see that right there. You know, it did cool off quite a bit, but I didn't think it was running lean. Oh, man. Yeah, there's quite a few marks in there. I don't know if you can see that in there on the other side of the... I mean, the thing sure runs great. I mean, I might as well just keep running it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If I can get her to hang down. I mean, still make... I can hear it leaking compression, though. I mean... Yeah, there's definitely almost like a four-corner seizure, maybe. don't know, boys. Let me know what you think. I might have to pop the head off. So, we'll be back. Oh man, blew my custom seat cover off. It's so windy. Can't let anybody take that. Oh, refasten that on there. I had a little pocket. Let me get that.